In this video, we will learn about shared storage in KMM using shared preference and user defaults. Android stores data in shared preference and iOS stores data in user default. So here is our project, KMM data storage. It has Android app, shared app, iOS app. So first what we have to do, we have to create our expect and actual implementation of data storage mechanism. In common main, this is our expect class spref. We will provide actual implementation of this class in Android app, Android main and iOS main. And there are two methods. GetInt, it will accept a key and it will return an integer. And setInt, it will accept key value pair. The data is stored with this key. So these are the signatures, expect methods. Now we will provide implementation to these expect class and functions in Android main and iOS main. So this is Android main. Spref class has an object of an activity. Here is the actual implementation of getInt method. In this getInt method, we have created object of shared preference of Android. Using this shared preference, we will retrieve data from a particular key. If key is not available, default value -1 will be returned. Similarly, actual implementation of setInt function, key value pair is passed in this method, and in shared preference we will store this data. So we will create an object of shared preference, edit that shared preference, put data into shared preference, and apply means save the data. Similarly, we will provide implementation of this expect class in iOS main also. In iOS main, the shared preference class is assigned NS object. Here is the actual implementation of getInt and actual implementation of setInt. In getInt, we use user defaults integer for key method to retrieve value of the particular key, and in setInt method we have used user defaults set integer method which will accept key value pair to store data. Now both the platform specific implementations are provided. Now in our common module we will write a class which will be used by Android app and iOS app. So we have written KMM storage. KMM storage will accept an object of shared spref and getInt method and putInt method. Internally they will invoke the actual implementation from particular platform. So in Android app or iOS app we can use KMM storage. If we check the Android app, in main activity we have the UI defined in set content view r.layout.main activity, means in layout folder main activity.xml defines the layout. So let us check out. There will be a text view which will display the value of data, and there is a button which will retrieve data from the shared preference, common storage. One more thing we have to see that on click of this button, we have invoked load from SP. This method will be invoked whenever we click the button. So we have to write this method. In main activity we have written this method load from SP. In this method we will invoke our shared module. So we have created an object of KMM storage. Using KMM storage we have invoked getInt method. So it will return -1 initially. Then very simple logic is there, ++, then display the data and store the new value. Similarly, whenever load from SP is invoked, the previous value is retrieved, value is increased, it is displayed in text view and stored the increased value. So very simple logic is implemented over here. Similarly, we can implement this thing in iOS also. Let us run this code. So here is the output.